Login loop error on Ratesetter Fix. Login loop error on Ratesetter Fix. You log in, see the page load, and then just like that you're sent straight back to the login screen. Sound familiar? If you're stuck in a Ratesetter login loop, the good news is it's not your fault, and it's not your password. The problem usually comes from your browser or app holding on to expired login data. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, close the Ratesetter app or your browser tab completely. Then, clear your cache and cookies. On desktop browsers, open Settings, go to Privacy or Security, and clear your browsing data, making sure cookies and cached files are included. On mobile, open your device settings, find the Ratesetter app, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Storage. Next, check for updates. Outdated browsers or apps can cause login errors because of new security settings on the Ratesetter platform. Update everything to the latest version before trying again. If you're still looping, try changing your connection switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or use another network entirely. Certain networks block secure login sessions by accident, especially in workplaces or public Wi-Fi zones. Another common fix is to ensure that cookies and JavaScript are enabled in your browser. Without them, the system can't remember your session, and you'll be asked to log in over and over again. Finally, manually enter your login information instead of using autofill. Sometimes autofill can insert incorrect or outdated data that triggers the loop. Once you've completed these steps, restart your device and log in again. You should now be able to access your account without any more redirect issues. So the next time you find yourself trapped in a login loop on Ratesetter, remember it's rarely a system failure. It's just your stored data getting in the way. Clear it out, refresh your setup, and you'll be back to managing your investment smoothly in no time.